Hey guys, if you know that you're lazy and you want to eat something nice and you don't want to work too much, try out these wings, guys, and potatoes. I don't know. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Angela from Uganda, trying out simple, easy, quick food. Guys, this food I'm cooking is for those who are lazy but delicious. Let us first make what? Let us first mix our ingredients. That is curry powder of your any choice, paprika, cinnamon, ginger powder, ginger powder, garlic, salt, brown sugar. Everything I'm putting little. I cannot make measurements because I'm going to cook small things. Mix them well. Light soya sauce. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce this name. White soy sauce, I don't know. Lemon, it gives a nice flavor. Guys, we mix very well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for leaving like. Guys, whenever you're watching a video, please leave a like, leave a comment. Today's video, it's greetings and very big hug to Zaina and Farida. Thank you very much for watching from where you're watching from. You didn't put a country where you're watching from, so I cannot send my greetings. Guys, after mixing them, sorry, I've been talking too much. After mixing them very well, let us put our potatoes. Guys, it's okay. Don't peel off the skin. It's very nice. Little bit of salt and black pepper because the potatoes need little bit of salt. Little bit more salt. Then butter. Then afterwards, I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes on 180. Guys, have you seen how simple it is? Just mixing, putting there, having something nice. After 45 minutes, guys, let us check whether it's ready. You see, even it still have sauce. It's ready. At this extent, this is the time when my madam wants it. But for me, I want it when it's dry, so I have to take it back. If you want like this, it's okay, it's good to go. But for me, I want it dry, so I have to take it back so that it reduces the juice. Just check how nice it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos. Guys, I put it back for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, just check how nice they are. Wow. Guys, bravo.